Hi guys, so I have a Series 3 mini brands to open. Have you guys been finding and collecting Series 3? Let me know in the comments. I have had the hardest time finding them, and finally I found them, so I knew I had to get a couple to open. Why are you not opening? I was just talking about how nice these have been opening. Well, spoke too soon apparently. No, but for real though, these ones do open a lot better than all the other series. Boom. The back. Let's do the back first. Okay. What is it? What is it? It is a Cool Whip. I'm pretty sure this is from Series 2. So I do think I have that one because I know they put like some of the Series 2 in with this series. Next. This is a new one. Oh my gosh. It's a Hershey's